Salve, I am Queen 1, partner to Queen 2, and I have brought the bull and the unborn peasant children. Who cares about peasants anyways?
I'm Queen 2, partner to Queen 1. I has to have brought the rat droppings. They may have the plague, I'm not quite sure. Oh, and I'm wearing Converse.
Why can't we talk about this?
I am the Wicked Witch, and I have brought the, silk socks. So, who do you think will contract the plague next?
I think it will be the Taylor Swift.
Oh my god, how many times do I have to tell you? You're the...
It's a
What did I say about the Converse? What did I say about this stupid shoe? God. Oh my god. Done? The dragon! Oh my god! The dragon! I was the dragon! How is... I wasn't going to... It wasn't me!